sure it isn't tight. There's one way to do that. Okay, seems good and tight. Put this in my tool bag. I'll have to put a sticker or something over this to reshape it back to normal. Okay, I'm going to reattach this one here. Carefully. Make sure that this is lined up the proper way before you try sticking it on there, and then it'll be easy. And this a little bit, wiggle it, make sure it's seated properly, and then once you get it tight, just be a little bit to lock it. It's locked. So my wire's sitting properly here and there. I'm not putting new thread locker on these. I don't think those are going to come loose. I don't want to get any thread locker on any of this plastic. I think it's a bad idea, personally. You don't want to over tighten these and break the plastic. Just get them seated in there nice. This still has some good stick to it. I'll slide this bumper. Whole thing goes down under there. Smooth. Got these two screws. Alright, now this is set, super light. and not break any threads like that. If there's any problem threading it, then always just do it by hand, but it goes super easy, there's no problem. Have it on a super light setting. Okay, so that notch goes face up. It screws in, wiggle it forward. Now this will turn just a little bit. To lock it. There it is. It's locked. Okay. Well, I'll let those screws slide out. But they're right here. This one. Again, I'm not re-putting thread locker on these ones. You can always just check them. And I recommend you do frequently. Okay, well, this is looking just dandy. Just looking dandy. Let's have this a little low. It took a little bit of pressure to seat this. I did exceed the recommended 40 psi. I don't have a bead buddy on me. Should have my bead buddy. I should have lubricated a little bit more. Took more pressure than normal, I would say. Just gotta clean this up a little bit. So we got the plate and we got the flight fins. We got the float plate. I think the flight fins on this one just go over this. So actually I could have left those screws undone. I got this. And in this instance, I guess we're gonna put these screws to the side. These are the two. Bring them out of the foot pad here. Float plate back on there. Now if I have to redo some double-sided tape, then I will. Tighten these ones. Check these. I think there was still enough stick on there. Okay, so we will undo these. Let's check out these plate fins.